All right, folks. I butchered the title. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh gosh. Okay. How is all this? That worked. I'm an idiot. Um. Oh god. Here's the deal. So I want to do a couple things. I need to do a couple things for like Ranger Post and SmartCraft. It's actually we're doing some stuff for Ranger Post. Some stuff. It's more or less for Bushykin, but it's technically the Post because it's going to be on Ranger Post because that's the only server that Dingleberry plays on. But there's a couple things that I want to do. So we're gonna use our Visual Studio Code, whatever, however you want to call it. All right, so go full screen. All right, here's Visual Studio Code. Let's figure this out. Okay, so the thing we want to do is I'm grabbing an instance from you guys will see it down here, StreamerBot, Streamlabs chatbot. I want to fully fade away from. We're gonna make a new folder. We're gonna call this SHOUT shout out overlay. Shout out a dash overlay. Let's make that. So, while I am currently, trying to figure everything out, I don't have the line up turned up because that's the gaming rig. It is technically on. Let's see. So, one of the thing that we need to do for Ranger Minecraft. I'm not good at spelling. We know this, okay? And is there a search function on here? Oh, so we're gonna say Lord of Search. What an Isengard's idiot. Sauron's tower. Now see this one's kind of like this one. We also have, see, this is not exactly kind of like it's close, but it's Lord. We're just gonna say tower. That's the two towers. Well, we know about the two towers. IS. I don't know how I'm spelling. Again, Isengard. There we go. So let's. Okay, so we're gonna say Isengard. Got that. Let's do another. Ooh, okay. Can I blow this up? Is it possible to blow it up? Can we see this image like? Can we image in you. So he just wanted the tower because he's already got an area set up where he's gonna, you know, not like it, you know. Trying to. How did I get hair on my? So we could do this. Minecraft schematic. Holy shit. This is a schematic. Okay. So there's this one. Right. Alright, old man, step up here. As long as you can at least see OBS, you're good. Can you see it? Okay. So there's that one, and then there's one other, but I need you to kind of pick. What is that one? I zoomed in as much as I can. Otherwise, it's pixelated. I'm sorry that it's, you know, I mean, if you want to try to slither on back a little bit and look at the main monitor, I'm technically live at the moment. Sorry. This one's got just a bunch of trees. Obviously, I'm thinking this is like stone. But we said we want a black stone. So that's why I was thinking this one right here. This is just a schematic. So I got like a different point of view, more down to the ground. But that's good. If that's the one you want, I'll do this one. Okay. Okay. Download the schematic. Import it to your world. I can easily find it. Do you have a home to it? What's the name of the home? Home. Okay. Kind of figured it. Kind of figured it'd be a home. Right. Well, are you on Ranger Post at the moment? I'm gonna be popping on there here in a minute to do this. I got other work that I gotta do, but. Restarted. It should be back up by now. All right. So my whole thought. Okay. So we got that. I do need to upload it. Server in this case. I'm gonna move this off the screen. Safety. It doesn't. I don't think it reveals any IP addresses. Most of them are internal IP addresses. Got it. But just for safety's sake, let's, you know, let's not reveal anything. Plug in. Where did I set? Did I set this to the desktop? I think. Oh, there we go. Now, Isengard's been uploaded to post. So for the idea, okay, the way that it works, and I'm gonna do a small shout out. It's just gonna be to myself, and you should be able to see how it pops up there in the corner, and it kind of shakes it, right? It just it sits there for a bit, shakes it again, appears. That's kind of what I want. But see, that is ran by Streamlabs chatbot, and conveniently, YouTube tried to do it. YouTube, you is an idiot. We're gonna try to code that. Okay, that's what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna try to make it. And I use speech to text a lot, so. So if you take a look at the context of the folder structure that you have access to, you will notice this is a shout out animation for OBS ran by Streamlabs chatbot. What I would like to do is use the same features that it has. Basically what it does is it goes out there, it grabs the user profile from Twitch, their profile image. It also then puts their channel name underneath. I'd like to get this as a completely separate file that I can make some settings for a web interface to set the settings of things that I want it to do, you know, stuff like that. And then basically it's just an HTML. This will then be able to work with streamer.bot. All new files should be placed in a folder which has currently been generated, named. I upgraded to 25H2 on the broadcast rig. So that's, you know, that's why I'm a little bit late on that. So we're going to grab this. We're going to grab all, paste. And I've put it in quotes so it knows that that is the name of the folder. We're going to see what it does. I can't show both screens at the same time. I don't have OBS set up that way. So what I'm going to do. Okay. So, if we look in the if we look in the, so that's the settings HTML. So, if it's done correctly, it should have grabbed. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, I love this. I love this. Oh, because if we look at I'm gonna pull Streamlabs chatbot over. I'm gonna pull the Streamlabs chatbot. Is it going to? What? No, why? Ooh. Oh. Tell me I'll be on there in a minute. Ah, there it goes. Okay. So this. I'm gonna just pull this full screen or whatever. This is because I usually have it on another monitor. So this is what it does. This is the thing. It's made by alcohol or whatever. That's the command, permission level or whatever. So if everything worked correctly, I didn't realize. Okay. So basically what will happen is if I load this up and put this on a web server and I specify my own port within the web server, the moment I open that page, I can go to settings.html and configure the settings. In OBS, I would load up index.html. And when the command is issued, streamer.bot should trigger, based on the command, it will pass that stuff off to the HTML stuff or the web page however you want to call it. I'm not that smart. And it will show an overlay. Okay. While that's doing that, I'm gonna step away this particular computer. I'm gonna come over to here. I have the gaming rig is open. Can't see the actual chat. Let me at least get I had to remember. I kept looking over at OBS. I'm like, now I can at least see the chat. No, Valve, you can't get information from me. You suck big wazuzus. Okay. And then Bush conveniently wants me in Discord. Why? Because, you know, I don't gotta make it harder for me. I gotta have 18 million programs open. I don't even have Minecraft loaded. Let me switch the scene over to the I didn't know I had to be in Discord for this, you know. Okay. Okay. It needs to add in a Node.js. I don't really want Node.js. That's the thing. I wasn't really going for Node.js. Because I want this to be, I would rather it just listens for, you know, post stuff. Because it's going to be running in IIS. And conveniently, as I load up Discord, guess what monitor it decided to jump onto? Hey, let me take over the OBS monitor so you can't see your OBS because, well, you know, I want to take over full fucking screen on that monitor. And it always goes to that one. Jump into time. I really don't have time for these. And I gotta change this stupid audio profile. Well, you know, there was an old man that, you know, he's like, oh, I don't know anything. I didn't realize I was supposed to get in Discord. I just, you know. I thought I was jumping on Ranger Post, teleporting over to his goofy ass. Let me get rid of some shit out of my head. Shut up, Ranger. Alright, hold on a sec. While I go figure this out. Because no time better than the present. All right, let's tell him. Tell him meow. Tell him.
Hello.
Tell him meow. Tell him meow.
Calcutta.
I got me a fat butt.
Okay.
Okay, what about this room? Is the white?
Yeah, come look at it.
I am. What is this? It's not a room, it's a wall. Oh,
Broken piece of junk.
Go through the door to see a
Okay.
room.
Whoa,
there's a
shit.
room. That's it, room.
Yes, it's just a room right now. This is what I've been doing, along with digging out around this area for the tower.
You stupid.
Room. Make a room.
I
Okay.
have been working since I got out of here.
Yeah.
Well, not working, but playing.
Okay.
Playing, working.
A couple things. There we go.
Tell me there's more cable. Yes, more cable. Perfect.
Oh. Since he's got like 99 of those fuckers.
Yes, I'm over the area, Minster.
I see.
I'm in front of it now.
So. Name of the. I named it Isengard, but I'm not a good speller.
Isengard.
Isengard. Medic Isengard does not exist. What do you mean?
You must spell it wrong. How you spell it?
Isengard. Isengard.
I-S-E-N.
What are you doing? That you need to spell it.
Looking for it.
So I need to load it up in the air first. Because I need to dig it
Okay.
super high up. But
To see if it'll fit.
pretty much. Boy, this is out of cobblestone. Stone. This is not out of Blackstone. I thought it was out of Blackstone, but I guess it's not. It's out of cobblestone. Cobblestone,
It's
stone.
fine. If need be, I can go in creative and make it all out of Blackstone. Just replace all the cobblestone.
I can easily do that too for you. That's no problem. You'll have to orientate, stairs correctly if they're out of orientation. But I think it will fit. Might have to expand it just a bit, but I think we should.
Well, like I said, if you have to extend the wall,
I know.
extend it on the short side of the stairs.
You said going down the road. On your,
Yeah, which is short side of the stairs.
that's facing
There's a
east.
short wall next to the stairs
That's facing
because I couldn't line it up perfect.
this. Ranger Post is like, what the hell was Minster doing on here? Ah! Who did? Mom!
What?
Was that get back for the killing you?
Yes! If it falls on you, yes.
Go to. That should be good. Come on, I hit the number 2, you dingle hopper. Oh, my numlock is not on. That will explain it.
This would be that much bigger?
I want to make sure that there's enough room. That, and then you can tweak with it, terraform, and
Oh.
no,
Minerals?
go get the minerals. Get the minerals that you
Afterwards.
get them, because otherwise I was going to replace. You don't have to even that layer that they're on. Don't put anything in there. Go for it, Mom. Go for it, Bush.
Okay.
Just that one layer. If there's anything underneath it, fill it in. But that one layer, you just leave alone. I mean, technically, I'm in survival. I got auto smoke. Or I guess I got infinite. The stupid, cook stuff as you mine it. That one. Because I can't remember how to spell.
It is.
Minster is stupid.
Just a minute.
Inferno Touch. That's what I was looking for.
That's it.
Got any? Let me see. Does Mom have any blocks on her? I'm gonna use. Mom, I'm stealing some of your favorite blocks.
No!
I stole it anyway.
I wanted to put dirt in there.
Well, tough. I grabbed your favorite block. Diorite.
That's what I'm filling in with.
I know. I snagged it from Mom's inventory. All right, flying up, Bush.
Yep.
All right, let me give Mom her precious diorite back, and then we're gonna do that
Minus
dirt. Oh, you want some cheese with your wine, Mom?
beat you up.
I mean, you already scared the shit out of me. Might want to get rid of them leaves over there in that one corner.
I did already.
No, on your wall, Bush. Mom knows what I'm talking about. Okay, let's.
Oh, these leaves.
Yeah, them leaves. Damn.
Well,
Called shears.
I don't have those right now.
It's faster.
I don't have any of those.
I grabbed a few of them. I grabbed a few of them. I just put them in your inventory, Mom. Oh,
Shoot.
15?
Coughing up.
Let's do.
Oh, beautiful. That does make it.
Fire Ranger post. You ain't becoming night on me. I don't think so. Move.
I can live with it the way it is. It's beautiful.
I'll leave a little bit of extra room, and then what is this here? This is deep slate tile wall. Okay.
Deep slate tile wall, yes, and bars. on top.
But okay. Now what we do? Break one. Should be able to break one of them. Okay, so it's just each layer. Okay. So we'll go like this. Then we'll go funk, funk, funk. Ta-da! Fixed. Now you can just do that top layer. I figured I'd give you that top layer to do, Bush, over there. Mom's over there at the moment.
I don't have any.
Because they don't automatically connect. Yeah, you'll just have to do that top part. And
That's
then
fine.
think I gotta tackle this corner piece. Yep. Because they're not
And
part
then
of
if
it.
you can center it, that would be perfect.
I'm gonna try the best I can. I cannot guarantee you that I can get it centered.
Okay.
Because I still don't know. I think that's about as big, but I don't know. When I paste it, it's like 3 blocks tall. I gotta go down by 3
Okay.
so that it is level. Or like right here. 1, 2, 3.
As soon as we're done with this, I'm gonna go have a piece of pie.
I want pizza.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Little bit over that shot than I thought, but it's not gonna hurt. We can tweak the walls and stuff.
That's fine.
So
Did you get wall around it?
actually, here, wait a minute.
Oh, you gotta move it.
Hold on.
You gotta move it.
I'm gonna go down by 1 more. Okay. What direction are you thinking, Mom?
You gotta come back here a little
That a
Gotta
cut.
come back toward the stairs a little bit.
towards the
Okay,
stairs.
so that was was that 1, 2, 3? That's 4. Okay. Come back to about
Yep, about
oh,
right there.
about right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go. Peace. And now I'm gonna get thrown in the ground. Haha! Now it's level. That's what I was going for.
That wiped out the wall again, and you're still like,
Well, to be honest, it's big. It's bigger than the wall. It is bigger than the wall. I tried without having, I can adjust the wall. That's no problem. But
the wall can be adjusted.
yeah.
Just bring the wall back forward.
That's beautiful.
Let's actually let's peel this back. Hold on, stay, Mom. Just stop for me, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it a little bit extra. What that'll allow you to do is then you can kind of taper it, kind of make it look like it's natural or whatever. Grab some of the resources I see here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you, Mom, do you want these resources or do you want me to give them the bush?
Give him bush.
Give him
Not
bush?
as much room.
Holy cow. That's a lot of coal. That's all I gotta say. Give me I'm gonna say just a stack of dirt. Cover me. Fill this. I'm not really looking to, I'm not trying to go for the Taj Mahal here.
No, that's what I do.
No, you do freaking Isengard towers.
Yeah. God, that's tall.
I'm gonna change the cobblestone to the blackstone or whatever. So I want to get it some of this at least finished. Mom, I'm gonna let you go through. Give you something to do. Replace the stone with grass. Okay. We're gonna go from the bottom layer. So we're gonna go from right here. Yeah. OS 1. This is gonna be fun. I know it.
What's that little C cup doing tonight? Have you talked to him?
I texted him. He said he was on his way home because originally I wasn't planning on doing Minecraft. I was gonna do this for you, and then I was just gonna, I was gonna play some what's the Fallout, because I know, yeah.
Yeah.
So I was gonna do Fallout, and I texted him, and I didn't, if I got a response. I did get a response back. He's like, "Oh, I'm getting another car." I'm like your ass needs another car. All right, so we're gonna say replace replace cobblestone with what is it? Black stone? Yeah, just black. Here goes nothing. Oh.
Yes.
Now, here's the thing. I'm going to leave the stone brick. And the reason why is it will allow you to go through because you might want them a certain orientation or whatever or whatnot.
They're beautiful just like they are.
Well, that's fine. If you want to leave it this way, that's fine too. But I figured if you want to go through and change some of the stone brick stairs, you know, to maybe polished black stone stairs or something, you can. So that's why I'm not gonna mess with any of the stone brick. I only changed
That's fine.
the yeah.
I appreciate it. This is just beautiful the way she is. I love her.
Why don't you marry her?
Oh, because it's not right.
Are
People would make fun of me.
you kidding? I mean, shit, you do that with me. So what's the damn point?
Oops. Up. Yeah, look at that. That's
Pull it.
beautiful.
Let's push that back by maybe like. Oh. Mom, do not go down.
I won't. I know you're doing the wall.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Hey, that works. We got a deep
Beautiful.
tile wall. Hey, Bush. I just have a question for you. Do you live in Mexico or something?
No, why?
Because I was gonna ask if we're building a damn wall.
We are.
Are we making Mexico pay for it?
No. My rich ass is paying for it.
Say what?
My rich ass is paying for it.
All right, Mom. I'm gonna change his balance on the server. Yeah, I think I gotta. All right, here. I need to do this real quick so that I can know where I'm lining up. That
Just tell
Four.
me it's not any more than 180,000 would be good.
just Mom, we're just gonna take all your Handsome's money right off the server. He just lost it all. He's broke.
I will make more. It's okay.
I believe it.
I dig a lot of.
You like digging a lot of holes.
Yes, I do. Oh God, she's so pretty.
Mom, I think your Handsome's losing it. Okay. Well, hawk up along, why don't you, old man?
I'm working at it. Oh, she's so gorgeous.
I need a couple of them deep like.
Oh,
Give me
God,
like-
Give me a headache.
Give me like
What's that?
16.
High. I don't like it.
Oh,
I was
not
trying
me.
to go to the top. Nope, I don't like it. I'm going back
I
down.
can go to the top. It's fine. You can look down from where I'm at. Once I get up there.
See what he's intercross. That 4. There we go. And that, well, yep. Technically, that kind of worked. That kind of worked. Okay. YOLO, we'll roll with that.
All right, Ma. Oops.
Yeah? Going up or down?
Oh, I
I
didn't
was
want
trying to go up, but
to. Okay, there we go. There's that.
okay. Look at my screen.
I don't see nothing but clouds.
A few pink trees over there. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Oh no, you can see the house from here.
I'm surprised that actually.
Way down there.
Yeah, I'm surprised that you can actually. It's gonna be fun on Dynamap. I'm gonna have to tell Dynamap to update the render. which that's gonna be fun. So you'll have to do the top how you did with the iron bars and stuff, Bush. But that's
That's fine. I can do that.
What the? Why did you?
I'll even find some dirt somewhere to turn all this cobble into, or this stone into dirt.
Well, I know Mom likes doing that. So.
Working on it.
I mean, I can technically change it, but I figured,
I'm working on it.
I know Mom love you too. You guys see this? We're gonna end up getting beat. That's what it is. Is that how you're gonna find the dirt, Bush?
No, this is how I'm making the top of the wall.
Actually, hey, put yourself back in survival real quick. I've got well, no, you'll probably need. Here, I'm just gonna give them to you. Screw it. And then where's them ores? Let me give you them ores.
Blackstone brick, polished blackstone wall. Where's the Where's the?
Look in your inventory. So in that bottom corner, you'll see like a. Let me switch to creative real quick. You'll see like a chest. Click on that, and it says survival inventory. And you can literally just move your survival inventory around. I gave you some of the walls because I had to summon in a few.
Okay.
I think the wall. I think we're pretty good, folks. This old man's got Isengard just sitting on his servers.
Sitting in on my property.
Run as count. First, let's do this. So it's stars. So we're gonna go update render. North stars. I want to forewarn everyone, since you're on my live stream, Mom already knows this. Bush, I think I already know. Tomorrow, we might have intermediate internet issues due to the fact we're switching to internet service providers. So when that happens, we may switch over. So services might be down for a short period of time if you play on Ranger Post or SmartCraft. You might not be able to access the server for an undisclosed amount of time. Check our Discord. I will post when the services are back up. So here, Mom. Here, give me the cobblestone. Clean out your shit, Mom. Here, I'll use the 13 blocks of dirt that I have. Okay. Here, you know what, Mom? Just get out of the way. Get out of the way, Mom. I'm just gonna do this. That GRASS. Ta-da! There you go. Bush. You're welcome. Now, do me a favor. Bush, will you do me one favor?
What?
Be an asshole. Punch the shit out of you. Punch the shit out of you, old man. Come here.
Creative, you can hit me all you want. You won't hurt
You
me.
bastard. I know. I was waiting to see if Mom would shoot me with a pew-pew. There she goes. I'm in God mode. Nice try, Mom. I know how you are.
I'm not, so.
I get it. Hey, look. I made a mistake. What was it? The day before yesterday. I ain't doing it again. All right. I'm going to sign off. Just, if I'm needed again, it's not like I can't hop back in. I'm leaving Minecraft running. Working on a couple.
Oh shit.
I'm leaving a couple
Shit, what?
things running.
What shit?
Look, if you got a shit bush, go to the bathroom.
Difference between the old wall and the new wall?
Yeah, the corner.
Yeah, in the corner.
Might be a little difference. It can be tweaked or whatever.
Nothing can go through there.
No. And it's too tall for anything to go through it anyway. It's like 6 blocks tall.
All right, hold on. I've temporarily muted because I do speech to text a lot. That is absolutely no problem. We can actually have the server fetch it. But I said what I was looking for is a way to allow the user, they can use whatever web server software they want. For example, it could be Internet Information Services. It could be Apache, Nginx. Or whatever they would like to use, and it can do it on its own. This way, I'd like theoretically both, because then I can simply choose, do I want to use the Node.js server, or do I want to use the built-in web server that I already have? If done through Node.js, obviously I'd have to pick a port. If done through a web server software, that program picks the port. But will this work for Streamer? Which will basically get information from a command and then process it and show, for example, their overlay icon, their information below it, and so forth. That's what I'm trying to do.
Especially when you're on the ground looking at it.
Actually,
You're just
so
looking at it and you don't even notice it.
I did tell
You don't.
I did tell it to update. I kind of want to see if it updated. I don't think it updated that quick, but I guess we'll find out. So we're gonna just go to rangerpost.org. Holy cow, it's already on there. Did it render the 3D version? Whoa! It's slowly working on that 3D version. Now that's going to be awesome to kind of see. I got to admit, that's going to be awesome.
Oh my god. How far away can I get before I can't see it anymore? Nope, still see it from there.
Just do a refresh of the pages. Yeah.
It's out of range at James's keep. There.
Well, the map that you guys usually pull up, like on your for you Bush on your second monitor, or Mom on her iPad, it's got it for the flat down view, but the 3D view, not so much. I think it's still working on that one. That's gonna be awesome to see. I gotta say, that's gonna be awesome to see. I had to look and see how that was.
It just looks so pretty from every angle.
It kind of does.
I love it. I have my own Isengard tower. So pretty.
Okay.
I put a lot of work into this in the last couple days,
Yeah, you did.
and it still wasn't big enough.
So I noticed you're picking port 3000 for the node server. I would like to be able to set the settings for the node server. And once this is all done, I would also like a README file so that if posted to GitHub, it can be understand how to set it up.
Even from the Hell House, it's still just hours over everything.
It, you know, I like I said, I can't wait till it fully renders it surface. I mean, I can force it. You know what? I'm gonna force it to just that rendered view. While I'm over here switching computers, whatever.
Okay.
Here. I'm teleporting to the one and only mom. But I can't. To do update render. That's the thing. Ah. So that I'm not in the slide underground. I told it to update this. That's the particular version of the app. Oh, you stinker, McDoodle. Okay.
Okay. Isengard Tower.
Yep.
It's there. That's the only thing I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you the tower. Eric got it moved over and put in place.
Okay.
Had to make the wall, had to space the walls out a little more, but
Yeah, I'm looking at it on Dynamap, and it's. Oh yeah, Bush, pull up your browser on the other monitor and go to rangerpost.org.
okay, give me a minute.
Still has to get that very top piece, but.
Where is it?
Oh, there it goes. I'll come out there. I'm gonna come out there because I need to get up and stretch. All right. Okay. Oh, what the hell is going on here? What I'm going to actually do is upload this to GitHub. Can I? You have you're probably going to go to my main Git repo, which is not something that I want to do. I don't want you to go to the main GitHub. All right, let's do this. Just open GitHub Desktop. I technically still use GitHub Desktop. We're gonna go add an existing clone URL. I get to instant. Okay. Another thing that or and close with comment. Now that is closed. To work. This seems to work at the moment. That was a bug, and it required more testing. Medium confirmed. That this team working. Close with comment. Oh, this is okay. This is still need to work on the auction hospital. All right, let's new repo. I'm gonna put Smartcraft Media Tech repo with PAS Caster over. I'm gonna keep it the same thing. It's just a little bit easier. Right now, it's just gonna be private. And we're going to initialize our license because I don't give a damn about it. That little hair sticking off the side of it. Paste. Choose. Media. Okay. Ta-da. Okay. Minimize that. This off that monitor. Reveal in File Explorer. So this is the this is that updated one or whatever. I want to explore. Paste. Yes. Place. Drag this back. Now I see all the changes. Master upload. Commit files to master. And then push the order. This way I can then go here and go. Well, bam. Okay. Wait, that uses curl? It's not using Streamlabs chatbot, you dingleberry. It says alternatively, you can go to index.html, login, display name. Okay. Test. You know what? Screw it. Let's try this. Okay. So here is our. Actually, no, it's the fudge is it? Minecraft Media. Here it is right here. So we're gonna open up IIS. I usually have IIS set up on my local machine because it's easy for me for testing. If I needed to, if I make a site and I want to see how it looks in the web browser, yes, I could technically just, you know, file path or whatever, but I'll throw up a temporary site. So we're going to say, we're going to make a website. We're going to call this OVRLAY, overlay. So in this case, it just says overlay. Overlay test. Where them files them are currently located in this path. So D drive, GitHub, SmartCraft Media. So there's that. Connect as, and I usually, this is an account that's technically, it's not able to log in, but it's an account that I just throw on the machine because I don't like fighting with shit. Because even if I say application user, for some odd reasons, it doesn't like to work. So we go like that, and then we're gonna pick a port 3251. We'll make sure that 3251 is not in use. Yep, we're good. Actually, let's do 3351. We'll just do 33. So now if I go like this and I go to browse to it, shout out overlay. It just says shout out overlay. Okay. According to the README document, if I look at the README document, it says because it automatically loads index.html, what we do is we're going to go here. And then we're going to go like this. Paste. Log in. We're going to just put my information, Minster 586. And then we're going to go like this. My NSTR 586. What the shit? I mean, technically it worked. Probably because it couldn't grab the API information. But, okay. So if you look in that root folder, I said root is put route. In the thing, it does some animation stuff, which I would like for it to work in the settings that we just did. Any way that we can get this to work? Because there's different animations. Because in the main one, like if you do a shout out, it jiggles. And then it puts it, you know. Oh, here's the problem that I'm seeing. It wanted to do fade or whatever. That didn't. Did it up? I'm curious. I've noticed. You notice I close my browser. I do that a lot. I do that a freaking lot. It pisses me. Because I get so frustrated with 18 million windows open. We're gonna say keep. What does this? I'm gonna come over here. Does it have the option? Ask us caster overlay is not actually enabled. What the fudge nuggets? That's it says it's not enabled, but how does it watch, folks, watch. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna drag this sucker over here. There's that caster overlay. Okay? Not enabled. Right? Now watch. What the fudge is doing that overlay? That's what I want to know. If it's not enabled, what does that? It's because it's this one. Ah, shit. I screwed that all up, didn't I? I screwed that all up. Open scripts folder. Is it this? Was this the one? What says, okay. Take a look at the settings. I just got to make sure that. Okay. Do this. We're gonna copy this. I'm gonna get this one back off over there. Scroll through about 20 lines of text. Okay. This actually didn't work the way that I wanted. This was an epic fucking failure. I gotta be honest. That was an epic fucking failure. I grabbed the wrong goddamn one. I'm such a dumbass. Okay. My gosh, I'm such an idiot. Okay. Where the hell are you working out of? Give me where you are working out of. That's what I need. Okay. That's okay. So we're gonna go back just like this. We're gonna delete all that, right? And then I'm gonna paste them in there. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna delete all these. Okay. Okay. So I made a mistake in the original example. If you look at the folder structure and content, you'll notice some things in there for this shout out overlay. I would like it to work with streamer.bot. This is an overlay that will use a Node.js server and possibly be able to be statically hosted via Internet Information Services, Apache, or I got to make sure that I put some grammar in here because otherwise this thing goes nuts. Starts thinking I'm stupid, which, I mean, it's not lying. You know, I'm stupid as hell. I would like to be able to make settings via a web interface. The animation can animate. If you look in the app that is originally in there in the root folder, you can see all the types of animations that it has. If we can replicate that so that this can be used with streamer.bot. And it is a web page that I can configure via a settings.html and then just load the index. I mean, it's getting close. I say it's getting close. all the work that you will do will go in this folder. I'm going to say, copy it. Yeah, because I screwed up like royally. I should start a whole new conversation. Okay, hold on. Can we cancel this? I want to cancel. There we go. We're gonna say copy. And then new chat. B. Can I show the previous chats? How do I see the... Shit! Did I lose the chats? I think I lost the chat. I think. Ah, there we go. And now we'll say new. We're gonna just open up Notepad real. If you look at the folder structure and the contents, you will notice some things in there for this shout out overlay. I would like it to work with Streamer.bot. This is an overlay that will use the Node.js server and possibly be able to be statically hosted via Internet IIS and for Internet Information Services Apache or Nginx. I would like to be able to make settings via a web interface. The animation can animate. If you look at it in the app, it is originally there as a root folder. You can see the types of animation that it has. If we replicate it so that this can be used with Streamer.bot, and it is a web page that can be configured via settings.html and just load it. So I think this technically should work, but this is a whole new chat because I screwed up the original first time. I grabbed the wrong damn folder. I'm an idiot, I know it. So basically, it's the same style, right? I want to give credit where credit is due, okay? Because the guy did an amazing job. But I want to eliminate Streamlabs chatbot. Theoretically, I want to throw that on a whole nother machine, and it will just sit there. You've already said this before, old man. Okay. We just made a bunch of Okay, so that's not entirely kind of what I'm looking for. It might need I don't know what the hell it's doing. I gotta be honest. Gosh, it puts a lot, you know. Okay, I should have the ability to load up in the OBS of index.html. I don't see that file. Where did it go? I stand corrected. Isn't that public? So, will the machine need to be running the Node.js server, or can I just have, for example, Internet Information Services run this and it will work just fine? My buddy Nico just texted me. That's okay. Okay. So that's the whole thing. Okay. So I need to know, does it have to be okay. I think we're good. Because that's what I wanted to do. Because then otherwise I'm just gonna, if this works, holy shit. Oh gosh. How much do you gotta tell me? Like, God. Okay. Take a look at this. Recommended run the node server, what I added. Pros real-time WebSocket broadcast. Hey, Nico said, for real? Pop in, Lil bro. Okay. So our whole objective is, yeah, and you know what, the node thing might kind of work. I'm wondering if we can switch this over. Because see, this would be you know, the other thing is the thought is to run this as make a GUI application for this, because hell, that'd be 10 times easier. Shit. Because I've been liking doing a lot of the GUI interfaces. I need to just. All right, let me change my audio routing profile or whatever. If Ranger post restarts, I don't off. I do want to do a couple other things today because I do want to play some games. All right. There we go. Okay. So let's just do the recommended thing. Okay. So if I go the route with Node.js, give me an example on, let's say, the username Fred raids my channel. And what I would like to do is do a shout out for him. And let's say the command goes like this. We're going to say exclamation point SOFREAD. We're going to say Fred like that. Okay. If I'm understanding correctly, what will happen is StreamerBot, and again, I don't know what it needs to send to the Node.js, so you'll need to be able to tell me this. Maybe put that in the README. But what it will do is streamer.bot will send some information to this node server. Basically, it's just the username of Fred in this example. At that point, then it processes it. If it needs the API keys for Twitch, obviously I have to provide them somehow, some way. It will then reach out to Twitch, get that user's profile image, cache a copy of that and their username, and it will look exactly like how the original app worked. Just this difference, it will be in Node.js that I can run and will take up minimum system requirements. That's the whole thing, is I want to make sure that we got this going, you know. Learning to do the code, I've been learning a lot of this. So the thing is obviously, you know. Okay. Trying to figure this out. Okay. Allow that. Go ahead. I'm still not understanding how to do this or whatever. What is on 3307? Sure, kill it. I don't know what the fuck's running on no. Okay. Oh shit. You make me like a damn dummy. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna be like, in 100 words or less, explain to me how that in like 250 words, explain to me how this works. In about 250 words, tell me how this works. It sends an HTTP post to the node server at the port with JSON of user Fred. The node server validates the request, looks up the avatar URL by default and saves that URL in a simple cache folder to avoid repeated external requests. Once the avatar is ready or empty if unavailable, the server broadcasts a WebSocket message to all connected overlay clients. So command data user. Okay. Any browser source in OBS that is loaded is running client.js, which connects to Streamlabs. When it receives the event, it fills the okay. Settings are editable. So it says the settings are editable at the host port. Okay. How does one run this damn fucking thing? That's my question. Close that. So npm install, npm start. Let's chuck it in the fucking bucket. Not probably, but I don't care. So we're gonna say cd git hub caster cross c ls equals dir so used to doing /ls that, you know, CDCAS LS. So in this case, then it's the fudge nuggets. Real in folder. CD. Actually, here. Let's grab. Copy that there. Where the fudge did you just put that caster overlay folder? Five tools. Isengard. What the hell? You scuttle bucket in a damn half. What? On this instance, then we're just gonna go ls. I should see shout out overlay cd shout, and then what is it? They said npm install. npm start. Address already in use. Can I change the port? LS. Why? See, that's the thing is I. So I would like to be able to configure what port the Node.js server runs on. Well, that should be in the JSON. See, it added in that play sound too. It's like, yeah, you might want to be able to play the sound. Oh, you want something else? You want to do something else? I haven't even tried it out in the web interface, like, you know. Nico! What's up, little bro? Oh, gosh. From the you're on the plane? He's leaving on a jet. Okay, let's see. So if we go. I'm trying to figure out something, doing some coding for an overlay in, I think it's JavaScript. Yeah, and Nico, I don't know if I'll be able to make it there. I was going to try to tell you that because with everything going on, it's kind of, we're tight on. I mean, technically, I have the money to be able to get there. JavaScript. But I might not be able to make it because, yes, I have the money to get there. But they have to head up north. And I won't have anyone, wouldn't have anyone to bring me clear all the way there. So it's like, shit, you know? Timing was just not perfect. Mom's supposed to make Texas sheet cake, and yeah, it's crazy. And then we got a new internet service provider happening tomorrow. It's crazy. Yeah, it's a bit crazy. So it's not that, yeah. My apologies. You know, I know I did say, you know, do something or whatever, but shit happens, you know. Yeah. Like I says, I didn't plan on it. It's just shit happens, you know. And when it happens, you're like, fuck. I'm gonna get. I swear I got this song stuck in my head like almost every day. I mean, unless your friend is like, yeah, screw it, I'll drive out there. I mean, again, that's, you know, hey, that's up to the friend. Let's do this, I think. Okay. And then I think we do. Where's the start? Oh, we get an error. Already, I know the addresses are. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I didn't change it. Taking a layover. Nice. 42. Okay. So now if I do, what happens if I do this? It loaded. So then if I go setting settings.html. Ow! I spelled it wrong. Narf! Gosh darn it. What do you mean? HTML. Is that right? Wait. What the hell? Do I gotta say... What the... Oh! My wallpaper changed on me! Scared the shit out of me! Oh my god. So wait. So do I have to say... Public? Is that what I gotta do? I can't get to the settings page. Bugger off, you IIS information... API shout out. No, okay, so that technically that was right. What do you mean? Like, All right, man. Settings. HTML. Okay, there we go. See, that kind of works. So, then if I go like this, right? And I go... What the fudge is... What do we put in the inside? Oh, you got to put the whole URL. Okay, so you could house the the sound on like some, some IP address or something. Okay. Let's see. So if we go 127.42.42 /index.html. So we're gonna leave that there, and we're gonna send test shout out. Test username, we're gonna say NOTCH. Or actually, I'm gonna just put my name. If I can type right today, MIER586. Wham! I like it. I like it, but I want to be able to, okay, so in the actual, oh my gosh, this is working almost like on point, folks. Okay, so in the original, so like if I do the testament, right? Notice how my name's up above. Okay. Can I want to see, I need to get a screenshot of this. Hold on. Let me do this. Here in OBS. How do I do that? So that would be under the shoutouts. Now, oh shit. I didn't mean to do that. My bad. Come on. I don't know if this is gonna. Okay, so this does show. Okay. We're gonna just make this. This is just. I grabbed this from OBS or whatever. It's, we're gonna send a test event. Wham. Did I? Let me see. I don't remember. Now watch, I have an update for Paint on there. That works. Expand the canvas. Okay. So. I'm gonna grab that right. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on a web server. Okay. Ta-da. Grab from there. I want to make it smaller because it doesn't need to be that damn big. So copy. And I'll throw this on my web server. Because I do have a web server that I can post static images. We're just going to save this as PNG. call this ES temp a okay, and then I'm gonna okay. That little window can get the hell. So, okay. Actually, hold on. That'll stop that right there. To allow that port to be, which is fine. That's kind of, you know, what we want. Okay. So I have a bit of an issue, and it's kind of small, but we are right on point. Everything is looking beautiful so far. I have not tested this on a separate machine, but I will be doing that once we get this part fixed. So the text next to the image, that text needs to be underneath the image. Can we do that? For the avatar? That's where the text will be? It'll be underneath the avatar? Otherwise, we are on point. We've got this good. And big shout out to the original guy that did this or whatever. I restarted it anyway. I killed it anyways. It's gonna fail anyways. It's not gonna work. Skip it. You don't need to do that. Okay. We're gonna say keep them changes. I'm gonna come into over here. I'm gonna kill that right there, and then we're gonna start it right back up again. So in that instance, now we have this situated. If I hit refresh, we're good. We're gonna send a. Here's our main little window right here. Here, let's kind of we're gonna shrink that down to about right that. We're gonna actually close that. And we're going to say test shout out my NSTER 586. See, it's still in it. Mode. We're going to go like that. Other test shout out. NSTER 586. Do that again. Still not. Okay. Kill this. So I just ran it, the Node.js application. When I do a test of a shout out, the user's name and URL are not underneath the avatar. What gives? Otherwise, it works fine. I gotta say, holy shit! I'm pulling off a miracle on this. Again, big shout out to the original guy that what do you call it? You will have to restart Node. I killed them all. I killed Node 110%. So I do not have this running in OBS, so that's not really an issue. I tested this in just a web browser. Got here. You're running on that port? Okay. Ow, shit! I hate when that happens. Alright, let's kill these. I'm gonna kill each one of them. And we're gonna do this twice. Okay. Start. It's running on 4242. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go refresh. Right? Refresh. Just shout out. PR 586. Okay. Do it the correct way. What the fuck is the matter with you? Is this the reason why 4242? Kill that. Are you serious? I have this habit where I like to just close things and I'm not supposed to fucking close them. Right. Forty-two. Forty-two. CTSE. Okay. Let's open up another fucking tab. 127. 4242. Text.html. Just. You're still not doing it. I mean, thank you for, you know. Why? Why before you do this to me? You have reached your monthly chat quota. Fuck you. Please make sure. I hope I. That was the last fucking window. Damn it. Hit it again. I'm such a goddamn idiot. Now close that sumbitch. All right. I think I've been doing it because I go into here. Where's the fuck you port? Is that the reason why? Copy here. My mistake, my big mistake was I kept running it from a location that didn't have the update. So now, if I go here, right? Oh, right here. Copy. Open up command prompt. CD. Look. Yeah. All. And we're gonna SDRT. And it's on that port, which that's fine. So now we would go to 127 37 37 33 37 SINGS.HTML. Fuck. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Piss me off. This is gonna piss me off. I swear it's gonna piss me off. 4242. Why is it now saying that it's unavailable? Change the fucking port and it's goddamn available.
Invincible.
Ta-da! See, it works. See, now I just gotta figure out how to get this shit to pair up and link in with. That was fun. Oof. Now they're all gone. Move them there. You know what? Move them. Minster's a ditz. I said Minster's a ditz. It put Minster's a dick. I am. Minster is a. I used the wrong one as the base, and now I think I got the right one. Oh god. How long does it take to commit to master? Shit. Well, damn. Push. Let's see. I did it again! Damn it! Oh gosh, I'm such an idiot. How many times am I going to do this? Because as of right now, it's a private repo, so. The Fred flow. Fred raids your channel and you want to shout them out using the SO Fred in chat. StreamerBot is configured to run an HTTP request when the chat command SO was detected. The action should post JSON directly to the overlay server like this. Create an HTTP request action type post with JSON body and set URL to overlay server. Use target user or equivalent variable substitution to insert the username. Well, there's part one. Done. Oh gosh, that's funny. I mean, this is why it's private, because we're gonna fart around with it later. I'm gonna fart around with it later. All right. Because originally I wasn't going to be playing Minecraft. It wasn't the actual plan and damn objective. Interesting that all worked. You know, I probably would have got it done 10 times earlier, you know? Doing Fallout 76. That's what we're doing. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good. Now, I did tweak a few things. I added in I went to Nexus Mods because, here's the thing. I actually got to change this to borderless window. I changed a couple things. I'm gonna get to borderless window and then we're gonna settings, play. Borderless window. Wait. There. That was funny. So the thing that I changed is I moved my compass around. I'm so used to it. Anytime I have played, I look at the very top of my screen for my compass. anytime I'm playing a game that has like a compass that says, you know, go north, south, east, west, or whatever. And then I moved the health bar for targeted enemies. I moved that guy down to the bottom because I'm not always looking at enemies. So that's the only tweak that I did. It's a cosmetic tweak, so I'm like, it's fine. And if everything worked out perfectly, here, let me fix my audio. My apologies, folks. It'll load. Yeah, you'll notice it's now at the top. Only because it's easier for me to look towards the top and go, oh, I gotta go north or whatever, you know. So, again, it's just a cosmetic thing. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. I thought there was something over here. No, that's where I remember going. Okay. Here, let's let's put a waypoint for that area. That way then I can see it on the on the compass up above me. Cables? Okay. Well, let's take the road. Son of a bitch. The hell we got over here? Ah, okay. I need some. I need food, and I think I got water. I need filters, though. Get somewhere and sit down. Whoa. Heifer? Headshot on that bitch. Oh, come on. Get off my face. Come up right up to your face and bust a cap in your ass, motherfucker. Medical liquid nitrogen dispenser. Ooh, I don't want it. Shit. Man, for a second I thought I was going to be dead there. No. Shit, a pack of smokes? Him's a damn goner. Here is my teapot. Here is my shout. Bottle cap, sun. Oh gosh, ceiling's fucking breaking apart. Who the hell put Nuka-Cola? That knocked the machine over. Meant that. I don't know what the fuck that is, but okay. Let's get food and drink going. We're good on the rads. It's not like I'm gonna die just yet. Who the fuck locked the door? I vote. Vote to kick Trump out of office. I said it. I rang the bell. He came a running. He said, "Did you ring that little bell?" Hold off of Gabriel Iglesias. I hear the bell. That'd be mine. And Dad'd be mine. I want the 8-ball. That's the other ball that I want. Four. I took a few. Fuck that pre-war money. Don't need it. I'll take the caps. The fucking teddy bear. Wait, there's this. Okay, no, this is okay. Misinterpreted that one. I heard a noise. Virgila. Rum? Fuck yeah. I want the rum. Can I throw that rum at them? Chuck it right at their fucking forehead. Bourbon. Oh, I can take I can take flowers. That's kind of cool. Somebody forgot to pay the electric bill. Oh shit. I just seen something red up on the... I've been making some decent things with I do want to work on the radio DJ little thingy integration, which I'll change that. They get into a fucking fist fight over there. Holy shit. My name's Bennett, and I'm not fucking in it. I'll tell you that much. The fuck is that over there? Thanks. Appreciate that. Appreciate the food. You know, appreciate it. I don't have that many. Shit.
Serve and protect. At your service, ma'am. At your service, ma'am.
Damn, I'm short.
May I be of assistance? Serve and protect.
gonna sell this shit back to him. Alright, hey, can I sell this shit back to you?
Assistance. At your service, ma'am.
No, I don't want to sell that because I want to change the hats.
Serve and protect.
And what the hell am I no longer wearing? Let's get rid of the Ranger hat. So we'll sell the Ranger hat.
Serve and protect.
Fucking power plant over here. It was just longer than a second ago. Fuck, now I'm diseased. Shit, that thing's gonna kill me. a fucking rock. The fuck am I going? Oh, there's my waypoint. Okay. Oh no, I felt like starting a war. That wasn't the best fucking idea, but well. When do I ever fucking think smart? I gotta admit, that was kind of fun. You just, and my whole thought is when you duck, it shouldn't attack. Like, it should not be able to hit you, you know? Hmm. Okay, okay.
If the scorched or the ferals don't get you, the rads will.
Hey, my man, how's it going?
Turn over a new leaf. Restore this land of glory.
So we gotta go. Best route soon is go this way. Nope. I think it's this way. Yep. I'm getting closer.
Hey there, traveler. Dick Shale here. Welcome to Appalachia. Did you know that Autumn Fest takes place the last weekend in October? One of Appalachia's most famous tourist attractions is the Pumpkin House. In 1978, the Pumpkin House began with only 4 pumpkins carved for a Halloween display. Since then, the number of hand-carved pumpkins has grown to 300. Does a house with 300 hand-carved pumpkins attract attention? You betcha! Be sure to take the kiddos. Check out all those pumpkins.
Looks like I gotta go around or something. Because according to what I seen, I don't know. It goes up. It goes up around, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because there's a marker. Perfect. Which guns?
Gotta talk to Paige about those sunny bots. Giving me the creeps.
They give me the creeps too.
Longer. Stop. Water ice. Water is not also ice. Do not ask for water ice and sunny.
There are a couple alerts. Like, I'm gonna clear a couple alerts.
Well, this is a little awkward. You're from one of the local vaults, right? Hope you don't mind us settling in your neighborhood, because we're already kinda here. And if you want to kick us out, then the answer's no. If the walls weren't already kind of a statement to that effect. Inoculated? This some kind of a scare tactic? You mean those crazies with the torch skin? Those aren't just burn victims? You're saying it's from a disease?
Yeah.
Thanks for the warning, but, you know, if I was a local on a campaign to keep people out of my neighborhood, I might say a few things too. I'll tell you what. One of my own is a doctor, Aubrey. I sent him ahead to start up an observation camp, get the lay of things. You talk to him about this. If he's convinced, then I'm convinced too. Deal?
Deal.
South of here, Aubrey and a few hunters. Assuming he agrees with you about this disease.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go around and steal shit. Take all your fucking pencils.
Clean up this, fix that. Never seemed to end.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Foundation and those bums up at Crater just don't get along. They want to take everything we've worked for.
Well, whoop their ass.
I'm getting sick of potatoes. I know they're easy to grow, but how about a little variety?
What does my... Okay, so I need to see something real quick. You take 45 ammo? I think that's... We're gonna make some 45 ammo as well. I want to make sure that I have enough. Shit.
What the heck is a John anyway? Just don't get it.
Just trying to check a couple things.
Sustenance for a meager price.
I could really go for a hoagie. Sandwich.
More ghouls lately. Must be all the news.
All right. Where did he want me to go?
Morning. I could really go for a hoagie. Sandwich. We can get the flock big enough, we can have chicken.
I heard Sonny got a new shipment in. I've got to go check it out.
Maybe some extra patrols over there.
The 308 rounds all the time. It's these rounds is what I need. So I had to make sure, you know, I had what I needed. Okay. I see that there. That must be the observation camp.
Why do they keep assigning me maintenance duty? How am I gonna make night without more combat rotations?
Oh, is this somebody's base right here? Oh yeah, this is somebody's base. My bad. I'm sorry. I just went the wrong direction. My bad. I went the wrong direction.
And what would you like for a present?
I think I pushed the right push to talk button, but I don't know.
Deadly weapon.
Yeah, I didn't see no. How do I even set push to talk? Is it set for push to talk? Yeah, it's push to talk. Then what's the push to talk button? B. Yeah, and yeah, that's what I figured it was. I thought that. See, I thought that was somebody's. Or I thought that was where I was supposed to go. Because my little wayfinder. Yeah. That's where I'm assuming this observation post is at. Eight. You. Oh, get the hell out of Dodge. Dickhead.
Stay back! You with those things? Huh? Answer me! Alright. Just don't start yelling about the one or anything. They hit us out of nowhere. Screams, gunshots, the sound of Kip get... I don't know how long I've been. Thanks. I don't have much to repay you. Those things are caused by any disease that can claim a human mind and turn us against ourselves. It's a major threat. How is it
Okay.
spread? And what's the incubation period? The symptoms. Is there a treatment? Thank God for that. If this disease of yours. Thanks again. I'll be... I'll meet you there.
Okay. I wonder if I can fast travel there, because I'd rather just fast travel, damn it.
The Blood
You
Eagles
talked to
are
Aubrey yet?
dangerous offshoot of the Rangers. They don't get along with the Crater.
Damn it. All right. If Aubrey's behind you, so am I. If you need to resupply, you should give Sonny a visit. Hell, after that ordeal, if you see a free bed in the boarding house, rest up. For now, you just hold up your end of the...
Okay. Perfect. All right.
Clean up this, fix that. Never seems to end.
That's kind of glitched. Ay, ay, ay.
All these newcomers make me nervous. Hey, how's it going, Samuel?
Yeah, you make me nervous too.
Nope, no new test for me. Just give me chill tunes and hold me to chill. You? If I have to pick up one more box of raw asbestos, I'm gonna lose my mind. Maybe some extra patrols over there. What the heck is a John, anyway? I just don't get it.
Sonny always says his stuff will go on sale
Toilet.
tomorrow. Somehow, tomorrow never seems to get here. Derek and I can finally settle down here. Put down my guns, work the land now.
Maybe Ward has more drawing paper I can have.
If we can get the flock big enough,
They're my
we can
favorite.
add chicken to the menu. Oh, chicken.
Americans tamed this wilderness once before. We'll do it again, starting right here
What's
in
that, John?
Foundation.
has any ice cream now that he has a refrigerator.
Eat your doggo.
Don't go there with me.
These little cars make me nervous.
What have you been up to?
I wonder if Sonny has any ice cream now that he has a refrigerator.
Maybe if this
I mean,
place
maybe.
is growing, I should get a dog to help me guard the house.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Cars make me nervous.
Oh.
Something I can help you with? The fellow walking around is my husband, Tad. Don't mind the sass. He can be a little much sometimes.
Okay.
How are you?
Well, hello there.
It says supposedly to stock up, talk to somebody or something. I don't remember what the hell it said, but we're gonna wrap up, folks. Thanks for coming on out. For those who did, it's greatly appreciated. If you're new to the content, hit that notification bell to be, hit that follow button down below so you can be notified when I go live. If you like the content that you see, make sure you click the bell to be, again, yeah, notified or whatnot. Want to find me on other platforms? links.smartcraft.me/@Minister586 to be able to find me on the other platforms. Want to join the Discord, maybe play along, whatever. We do Minecraft. If you come along for Minecraft Mondays, you can join our Discord, discord.smartcraft.me to be able to join the Discord. Yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. All right, folks.